There are key principles that can transform our way of thinking and acting, both in personal and professional life. Always do your best. If you always do your best, you'll never blame yourself or regret anything. Be impeccable with your work. Be consistent with what you think and want to do. Being authentic makes you respectable to others and yourself. Don't take anything personally. To the extent that someone wants to hurt you, they're hurting themselves, and the problem is theirs, not yours. Don't assume. Don't take anything for granted. If you have doubts, clarify them. If you have suspicions, ask. Assuming yourself makes you invent incredible ideas that only poison your soul and have no basis.